Hello everyone, I'm Poyi and today I'm going to teach you guys some features from Animatron to help you guys to create some animation. So let's get started. We have purchased Animatron Pro for you so that we can produce high quality output, collaborative movie editing and all available features together. By using Animatron Pro, your animation will not have watermark. You can also collaborate with your friends and many royalty free can be used. For our competition, the maximum length for video animation in Animatron Pro is 10 minutes only. So if your duration of the video is over 10 minutes, you will have to use video editor to help you combine all the videos. So if you have extra knowledge of video editing, it will be added advantages for you guys. If need help to combine the animation files using the video editors, the secretary can assist you. Next, Animatron Pro is fully online and it works the best when using Google Chrome browser. One account can be used by 10 users only, so please do not use in many browsers, otherwise error message will come up as this limit of users. Since we have assigned your name into this account, please do not share the username and password to the others. For the competition, the video style to create is explainer video animation. We will have to use the microphone tool in the app to make voiceover to explain the learning content. You can also combine audio such as music, background music, and some sound effect or animation, text and graphic. Next, you will have to make a duration video animation between 10 to 20 minutes using ID account Animatron provided. If you have more than 10 minutes, please use video editor to combine the video animation if needed. So this is the summary for the competition requirement. First, you have to create a duration of video between 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Next, if the video animation is less than 10 minutes, it is not qualified for the competition. Next, if you plan to make video more than 10 minutes, you will need to use video editor to combine all the files. So, if you need help to combine the animation files using the video editor, you can ask for help from the secretariat. So now let's start learn the first basic of making animation in Animatron. First of all, you have to click into this website provided here. Next, you have to key in the email address and the password that we have emailed to you earlier. If you have not received, please inform our secretariat for help. Next, after you sign in, click the Start Creating button up here and make sure it is in a Pro version by checking the symbol beside here. So you can start your work now. First of all, you will have to create a file name. So beside here the toolbar that is a rocket button. So you have to click on it and click the setting button. It will pop up a bar like this. You have to change the file name and give description to explain what it is about. Now you have to save the file with your name. So you can start editing your animation right now. First, you will have to add a background. You can import the background from Animatron provided. So at the toolbar, there's a picture button here. You can pick the background you want by dragging the picture into your artboard. Besides, you can also import your own picture or video for the background. So first, you have to click the import button up here. After you click the import button, it will pop up a window here. You can either select files by clicking this button or you can just drag and drop your files here. After you drag your files here, wait for it to loading, and after it's done loading, the finish button will turn to blue, which you can click on it. And now your picture or your video is already in the artboard. Next, you will have to add text into your artboard. First of all, you will have to click the text tool at the toolbar here, and then double click at the artboard for typing. So after you type the things you want, you can just click enter. Now you can adjust the font size and color at the toolbar here. You can also move the text placement by dragging the text to the place that you want. So to add scene, you have to come to this right side of your screen. There will be a plus button here. After you click this button, it will pop out a new blank scene, which you can start editing the next scenes. Next, learn how to add and delete the animation and picture. So first of all, to import the animation or picture, you have to click the import button up here. So same as the background just now, you have to select the files, or you can just drag and drop the files here. Wait for it to loading and click the finish button to import the content. After you import, you can adjust the size by dragging this 4 point to the size you want and drag the animation or picture into the place that you want. To delete the content that you have import, you can simply click the dustbin button up here. Next, how to adjust the doctor scene time. So you can check the scene time at the box here and at the time bar up there. So if you wanna add the doctor scene time, you can just click the plus button here, or if you wanna adjust it the scene time shorter, you can just click the minus button here. Next, how to adjust the content duration. The content means the text, the animation, and the picture, all that you have import. So first you can drag this blue bar here. It is the ending time that you want. Like this picture, you want it to appear like 5 seconds. So you just drag this blue bar to number 5 here. Next, this white bar, the end of the white bar here is the starting point, which means when you want the animation or picture or text to appear. So for example, now I want it appear when it's like 1 second. So you just drag this end here to number 1. Yeah. And next, how to add effect on the text, GIF and picture. So usually when you import a content into this artboard, you will have a white bar in front here. So double click on this white bar. Will pop up another bar, which you can choose whichever effect that you want for your animation. You can try to explore all the effects here. And next, how to add the ending effect of the content, like how it disappears from this screen. So first of all, you will have to click this round button at the back here. When you click it, it will pop up a white bar, another white bar in the end. So just the same, double click on this white bar and it will pop out another bar. You can also choose the effect that you want. Next, you will have to adjust the effect duration to control whether you want the effect come in longer or shorter. You can just drag the end of the both white bar to adjust the duration. Next, how to add audio for your animation. So the audio can be background music or sound effect. So it's just the same like how you import the background, the pictures, the video. You can just click the import button here and select the file or drag the file and drop it here. After it finish loading, you can just click the finish button and it automatically will import into your project. Yep. So in the audio volume can be adjusted here. You can just drag the round button. And next, there's also a cross scene button here. If you turn it on, means the audio will appear in the whole project. But if you turn it off, it can also available in this scene. Yep. Next, you can cut the part that you want by dragging the end of the bar. So if you want it short, you can just drag it shorter to the time duration that you want. Next, you can also adjust where you want the audio be. So like the duration is 2 seconds and you want it to be start at 1 second here. So you just drag the whole blue bar by clicking in the middle here, drag it in move it to the front or to the back. Next, after you do all the scene, you'll like to preview the video, see whatever you can adjust, right? So you can go to the toolbars left here and there's a green color bar here. Just click it and move your mouse into the play bar, and then it will pop out another small window here. The first one, play or stop button, it's actually the video will start playing from the part where the arrow is. For example, if you put your arrow at here, so if you click this button, the video will start from here. So there's another shortcut button right at the artboard, which the same function. Next one is the play scene, the second bar. This is mean the whole scene one will be playing, like no matter where your arrow is. So the shortcut button for this function is right here. So if you click it, the whole scene will be played. And the next one is the play movie, which is the last function. Play movie means the whole project will be played. So including scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, all the scene in your project will be played, which you can check on the final project. Yeah. So lastly, after you edit all the project and you decided to export it, you just have to click the download button at the upper here, click it and choose the format that you want. Usually we'll save it into video format. And next, choose the type of video that you want and click continue. Next, it will pop up a window like this. Just click continue with restriction and click render for the next window. Wait for it to render and download when your video is ready. And now your animation is done. Thank you for paying attention. That's all for my presentation today, and good luck for your competition later on.